Hello friends, welcome to Crack Gate CSE, and in this particular video we will be understanding what is the eligibility criteria for GATE 2021. So we know that the eligibility criteria has been updated by the organizing institute, which is IIT Bombay. So from this particular year onwards, third year students are also eligible to write GATE exam. Prior, third year student was not considered as the eligible candidate for the GATE exam. So in this particular video we'll be understanding everything in detail, that what should be your course, in which particular year you should be to write the GATE exam. So what is the main advancement that has been made, that a candidate who is currently studying in third year or higher year of any undergraduate degree program, or it may have completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts is eligible. What is the meaning of this particular line? That if you are an undergraduate student and you are in third year of any of these 5 or 6 branches or the streams, then you are eligible for GATE 2021. It doesn't matter whether you are an engineering student, you are a technological student, architecture, science, commerce or arts. So commerce or arts students are also eligible to write the GATE exam, and this is the main advancement. Earlier it was fourth year onwards, but they have changed it to third year. That means you can give GATE exam in third year itself, right? Now here this is a disclaimer that this is not a guarantee, this does not ensure, that means the GATE exam does not ensure the admission. The admission process completely depends on the particular institute in which you want to get yourself enrolled, right? So GATE exam is just a criteria after which you have to take further steps to get yourself admission in particular institute, right? And apart from the above discussed eligibility criteria, there are some institute which has been mentioned. That means if you are completing your degree from any of these institute, and they should be relevant to or equivalent to BE BTech, right? So these are the 7 institute, I think. Yeah, these are the 7 institute in which if you are pursuing any particular degree or course from any of these institute, then if it is approved from the government by MOE, AICTE, UGC, UPSC, and your degree is equivalent to BE, BTech, BR or B planning, then you are also eligible to write the GATE 2021 exam, right? And there is one updation, that the third year or higher year of completed their bachelor degree. So if you are an undergraduate, you are pursuing any bachelor degree and you are in the third year, so you can enroll yourself. It doesn't matter in which particular stream you are, whether it is a commerce, science, arts or engineering and technology. So now let's check out a particular table which was given in the brochure. So this is the table which is given in the brochure. It explains the detailed eligibility criteria for GATE 2021. So first thing is, if you are a BE BTech, then you are in third year or fourth year or you have completed, you are eligible for the GATE 2021. That means your expected year of completion will be 2022 if you are in the third year, right? Similarly for the BArch student, if you are in third year or higher, then you are eligible for the GATE 2021. Similarly, if you are doing BSc, so earlier BSc was not considered as the eligible candidate, but now the students who are in BSc research or BS, they are also considered as the eligible candidate. You can see that this is the third year student can also give the exam. Pharma student can also give, but there is a condition that your 6-year degree program, which consists of 3-year internship or residential training, right? So if you are in the third year onwards, third year, fourth year, fifth year and so on, then you can also write the GATE exam. MBBS student can also write the GATE exam who have passed the 5th semester. So if you are in 5th semester or higher semester, you can also write the GATE exam, right? MSc, MA, MCA or equivalent students are also enrolled. So this is same as the previous one. There is no updation for the masters. Similarly, for integrated, there is no updation. You can write the GATE exam. For integrated also, if you are in the masters, you can write the GATE exam. So there is no objection in there. But this is the new thing. This has been updated this year, that if you are a BSc student, that means Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Arts, or BCom, that is Bachelor of Commerce, and you are in the third year, then you can also give the GATE exam. So this is good news for all the BSc, BE and BCom students, right? Earlier they was considered as ineligible student, but from this particular year onwards, they are considered as eligible student. And if you are from integrated MSc, integrated BS or MS, you are also eligible if you are currently in the third year. And if you are having any professional society exam, so I already explained what are the colleges that comes under the professional society exam. So these 7 colleges, if you are doing anything which is equivalent to BE, BTech, BR, B planning from these institutes, and this is approved by these authorities, then you are also eligible to write the GATE exam. So that's all for the eligibility criteria, and in case if you want to access the complete brochure, I will be giving the link in the description. You can check the complete brochure, information brochure for GATE 2021 from the description onward. So if you find this particular video useful, do not forget to like this particular video and share it with your friends who want to get themselves enrolled in GATE 2021. And in case if you are looking for free video lectures for computer science stream, so I have uploaded the playlist for algorithm, database, linear algebra, which approximately contains the 20% of the syllabus, which is around 20 to 25 marks. So you can learn these subjects in the meantime, and I will be further uploading few more videos to help you out. So thank you very much for your support. Keep supporting, keep learning. Have a great day.